Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about one of my favorite makeup techniques, which is blush placement. I know it can be intimidating to figure out where to put your blush on your face. Blush can be a powerful tool to enhance your natural features and bring some color to your face. Now let's get started. I'm just taking one of my favorite blush at the moment. It's from Into You, the Lip&Cheek Mud. It's in the color PD4. It just comes in a pot like this. It has a soft matte blur finish. This is a multi-use product. You can use it for your lips and cheeks, basically for your whole face. Apply the blush on the bridge of your nose and then blend it towards the sides. This will help to create the illusion of a higher and more defined nose bridge. You can also use blush to create an illusion for bigger eyes. Apply the blush to the outer corner of your eyes. And blend it out towards your temples. This will help to create a wider and more lifted eye shape. It's very natural so far. And now moving on to the cheeks, just take a little bit more. I just dab it between my fingers, like so. The highest point of my cheekbones, let me use my hair too. The highest point of my cheekbones will be right here, and that's where I want to dab my first dot. And blend it all the way up to your temples, so it can blend in with the outer corner of your eye. It gives that nice sultry look, I would say. My face looks so oily. I didn't put on any base makeup today, not even foundation. So I'm just gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury and just mattify my smile lines a little bit. But get this magic. It's like filter in real life. Now finally, let's talk about the lips. Using a blush can also create an illusion for a fuller lip. Apply the blush to the center of your lips and then blend it out a little bit towards your cupid's bow. See, instantly my top lips looks a little bit more fuller. I'm just dabbing a little bit more so the camera can pick up. I like to dab a little bit on the bottom of my chin and also my forehead a little bit so it can have a unified look. So yeah, there you have it. This is my favorite way to put on blush. I just like to use one color to basically use it for my whole face. I like these multi-use products. Of course, you can use lipstick, lip gloss, lip tint for a different type of look. If you want to use lip tint or glossy products, it will give you more of a glossy, natural dewy look. And if you are like me who has textured skin, I like more of a soft matte blur. Also helps to conceal my textured skin. And these are very easy when you travel around. You don't need to bring out a lot of makeup products as well. Like I know when I go travel, I bring tons of makeup and I barely even use them at all. So just bring a good blush and there you have it. Remember, these are just guidelines. You guys can always experiment and find what works for you guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more makeup tips and tutorials. Bye!